Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, we are Lauren and Bill. We travel all over the UK in our self-converted transit van, climbing mountains, finding cool places and making memories with family and friends. I wanted to share with you some unseen footage and some of our best moments of 2022. Thank you for joining and being a part of our journey.
Found a little petrol station on Park for Night, getting us everywhere. Whoa!
So we just stopped off part of the way down to the Peak District where we're staying tonight, about an hour away from where we was. We just stopped off to get some water supplies. We only had about 10 litres or so. This is so cold, man. Ah!
Right, so we're a bit further along. We stopped at a what's it called? Service station. The food there was extortionate. It was about £10 for a burger. No chips, just a burger. And then we stopped at another service station to get Burger King. We couldn't justify spending that sort of money.
Even though we have like 40 million pot noodles.
Now we've found a little spot. I found a spot on Park for Night again, but we didn't really like the spot. So we've come to a different place, which is just down the road. Now we're walking up to the peak, which is only like 10 minutes walk, with our cups of tea, but it's freezing. My tea's getting cold. We're gonna walk up and hopefully get some pretty views. I really hope this is worth it.
How much do you love me?
Lots. Why?
You want a pair of gloves and a beanie?
Oh, I do really love you.
Crep check. So we just shot like an entire section and Lauren had the camera, because we've been taking a lot of pictures. Lauren didn't even have the camera on the right mode.
I'm new to this.
She ran off when I realised and hid behind the moulder. And that's
I got
where...
in trouble. We're at Brimham Ricks, which is National Trust.
So it's older than dinosaurs, 320 million years old.
Just nature's playgrounds are so much more fun than normal playgrounds, you know? Definitely coming back. Spend a whole day.
Yeah, baby!
Great thing about this is it's just, there's so many rocks. You could just go on forever. It feels like a movie or a game, you know? When they're like creating bases and stuff like that. I can just imagine the birds and the animals love it here because there's so many little places they can get into.
What are you getting, babe?
Cookie.
You getting a cookie? Yeah. 2 scoops of cookies and cream, please.
Here you've got the Idol and all the other famous rocks, but my favourite place, 2 is, one is here, there's a rock here. If you watch All Creatures Great and Small, there's a rock there, that's where Tristan put his car and that's where he sat with his girlfriend for the view. Then my other thing is, you've got the Anvil Rock down the track here. This rock here is amazing. So next to it, we've got a man-made one with grooves. Nobody knows why that's there. I haven't got a clue. The best views are often going off the beaten track. The dogs are really welcome. We've got treats down at the bottom and stuff.
2022 has been a significant year for us, with new experiences and many memories. We would like to continue sharing our life with you and reaching new heights in the new year. If you like what we do, please like this video and comment down below something you would like to see us do. We hope 2023 brings you peace and love.
Very out of breath. I ran up the stairs and I'm unfit.
I wonder where Lauren is. And that's where.
Trouble.
I got in trouble.
And my name is Sharon, aka Chatty Lass.